All right, so this lesson, some of you might say it's criminal that I'm having you watch it because you're like, seriously, it's graphing. But listen, let's just make sure there are a few vocabulary words that are certainly going to be worth our time. So, with all that being said, let's get ourselves into lesson number 14. All right, we're using what's called ordered pairs. All right, to graph. So that's a word that we want to be aware of. Ordered pairs have two coordinates. So that's another word that we want to be aware of. So the first number in an ordered pair is the first coordinate. Now, yes, it's the first coordinates. We also want it to be known that it is the x coordinates. The second coordinate or the second number is the y coordinate. So again, we want to make sure that we've got those vocabulary words that are down. And again, you guys have done graphing before, all right? Typically when you guys graph, you simply have taken things in place just where the positive numbers are at. So you've only graphed in this particular region. Well, now we're going to start to see other ones that are here. So we're actually going to move right over here to this guy, all right, just to make sure our graphing is okay. So let's get the ordered pairs down for some of these. What we do want to notice is that all the points are on the lines where they meet at. We don't just see someone kind of hanging out in the middle somewhere. If they were, that's because it would be a fraction or a decimal, but we've got all whole numbers here, all right? So let's get into some of these. Let's go to letter M that we're taking care of. One that we've seen before. When we are graphing, we always go on our x-axis first. So we went over to the number 5. So we went to the right 5, and then we went up 7. So right 5, up 7. Again, we think about our key words there. To the right, that is positive. We went up, that's positive. So there we go. We wrap them in parentheses, separate them by a comma. Let's go after point Q. That's there. Actually, no. Let's go after letter V. That's there. Letter V. All right. To get to letter V, and we always start where those two axes meet. So that X and that Y axis that's there. To get to V, we have to go to the left to -1, and we have to go up to a +6. So when we're looking at letter V there, hey, because we went to the left, there's your negative. Because we went up, that's your positive. So again, wrapped in parentheses, separated by a comma. Let's do one more. Let's do letter T. So to get to letter T, again, we always start with those axes to meet at. We have to go to the left. We go to the left to -3, and then we went up to a +2. So again, using those words there. So we went to the left, so there's your negatives. We went up, so that's why we're positive. And that's it there when it comes down to it. So we've got that down. We're going to be in a good spot. Just remember your ups, your downs, your lefts from your rights, and all will be well. That's it, people. That's all that we're doing here today. You're welcome.